Hello everybody. I wanted to tell you here something that I did. I am making an entire how-to video on from Summer Nights, and I figured out a way to do that. And what I'm doing is I'm back into production. I set up my whole recording studio now. I need to still get a new camera, but I'm doing it from the Summer Nights coloring book. And what I did is I did it the watch, and I'm showing you in real time how I did this the watercolor look. And I did part one of the video where I did it everything. So like normally when I do my the color charts here, like normally when I do my color charts, I show you like the colors that I use and everything like that. But I did it differently. And the reason I did that is because when I'm doing these charts, I'm getting a lot of people telling me through emails and stuff that, you know, you don't get to see how I actually do it. And I wanted to be a little bit more in depth. So this year I want to try something new. Now that I'm back into coloring again, thank God. I've been so traumatized by being robbed and everything. If you guys have been following me, you know I've been through so much. And now I got my whole studio set up again, and I'm all ready to be back in production. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting out videos all the time, but I want to do it where I actually teach you how to do it. So I started a Patreon site where I'm going to start just putting up the videos. So you could just join the Patreon, and then you get all my color combinations for free. So I have it up there now. So what I did is I put up this video right here where you're gonna you get this for free, okay? And you could download this for free. It has all the colors I used, and it has the pictures, and the entire video is loaded there, which will show you. Yeah, you could just pause this and see all the colors I used to do this right now, and you could just pause it and you can just download these colors that I used here. If you want to pause the video, and then these are the colors I used to create this watercolor look right here. But I actually did the whole video where I go step by step and I drew the whole thing. It's about 39 minutes or so, about a half an hour video. But I thought it'd be really cool to actually show you the techniques. And I'm gonna go in right now, and I'm gonna go finish it. I'm gonna do the outside of the watch right now, and part two is gonna be loaded here in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this now, and I'm going to start doing this real like all the time now. So hopefully that this will work out, so you can become a Patreon of mine. And that just means that you join, and it's just I think it's like $4 or $5 a month or something. But you get these for free. So instead of paying the $4 or $5 or whatever they were for each one, now you just get them free. And I'm going to be putting them all out, like, you know, however many I do a month, a whole bunch of them a month. So instead of just paying for each one, now you can just get as many of them as I do. So this is already one. So now instead of having to get this and paying the $4 or $5 for one, now you're going to get this one, plus I'm already doing another one right now. So anyway, I'm looking forward to doing this. I'm going to go finish this one right now. So I'll see you later. This is part one. It's already there and uploaded, okay? So this is really great. I'm really excited to be getting started. So, so part one is there and ready for you. So you just join along. This is from Summer Nights, so get your book out and your colors that you need. These are the colors that you will need to color along with me. So make sure you have those colors ready. And this is from the Prismacolor. I always use Prismacolor. When I start using the other colors, I will have those, you know, like the polychromos and stuff. But these are the colors that you're going to need if you want to follow along with me. Okay? See you there. Bye-bye.